Quick reading for May the 1st to May the 7th. Leo, your cards are the Eight of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Six of Wands. So from isolation, from someone's not talking, someone is not saying anything, or probably hindi rin nakikipagkita, no? Nagtago. Pero ito kasi yung araw na yung bottled emotion parang magbe-burst, no? Communication is going to happen. This may not be a brutally honest conversation. Hindi ko naman sinabing may lies. What I'm trying to say here is parang toned down. So maayos, malumanay naman ang pakikipag-usap. One thing is for sure with the Six of Wands, gustong makipag-ayos. Six of Wands, gustong magkaroon ng communication. It's actually good news na magkakaroon tayo ng kung ano man siguro yung hinihingi natin, no? Kaayusan, probably focus, no? Time sa kanila. So, actually, ibibigay ni person. This is your quick reading for May the 1st to May the 7th, Leo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.